Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be going over a bunch of items that I got from TEMU. There are about 12 items. I'm going to put them here on screen so you can see, but I want us to unbox them together, and I will be talking about them briefly. It's a lot of stuff, so I am excited to be doing this. I don't know if we should start with the smallest stuff or the biggest stuff, but you know what, let's do this. I'm going to shift this aside and then we're going to go over them one by one. So this is an ergonomic mouse. Let's open it real quick. As you already know, a lot of the mouse out there that are being made these days are like this. So it's no longer the flat mouse, but this type. So this is how this one is. You have the buttons here on the side, and you have the right and left click and the scroller. This looks really cool. As you can see here, it works with batteries. So I have to get two small batteries, I think AAA batteries, and then of course plug it to my computer. I'm hoping to use it on my Mac, so I'll look for an adapter to add to it. But this is the first item we got from TEMU. I'm also going to include the price of these items in the description of this video. So I'm going to put this aside. Let's pick up the next one. This is probably one of the most exciting things that I saw on TEMU recently, and I want to show it to you guys. It's basically a dock station. It's an adapter that you can put under your laptop or MacBook and then plug it to your computer. So you have these, you have all of this adapted in a sense. Let me show you guys real quick. I am really hoping this works, because if it doesn't work, I would have to file a return back to TEMU. But as you can see here, it has ports here, and from what they showed me in the video, it's actually supposed to have like a stand, but it doesn't. Or do I have to pull this out? Nope. It doesn't have a stand. It doesn't have something that lifts it high. It just has this bezel here, and that's it. So we have the type C port, another type C port here. There are two HDMI ports, of course a LAN port as well, then VGA, and then 3 USB ports, and then there is the mic jack auxiliary port as well. So I'm looking forward to really checking this out, and yeah, I'll let you guys know. There's also a memory card slot here as well. I'll add the description, I'll add the items in the description, and also add the prices there as well. And then there is this is a gas level indicator for your gas cooker. You basically plaster it to your gas cooker. It says place. It has an entire instruction here, but for the sake of the length of this video, we're not going to be demonstrating it here. But if you guys want to see me make a video of me using it real time, let me know. I will make a separate video for that, because I actually got two. It's not one, it's two. So you put it on your gas cooker and it will indicate when the gas level is low or high or full and all of that. That's why I got it. I got two of it. Then there's just a bunch of socks that I want to see how long they are. These are basically standard. On the platform, it actually looked really long. They looked really long, but these are just standard socks, so there's really nothing to share here. Different colors. And then there is this clipping earbud that I found on the platform as well. I thought it was two and not one. It turns out it's actually one. So you can pretty much clip this to your ear and listen to music. So that's it. It's a wireless earphone. You clip it to your ear and it just stays there. I'm also going to include the link to this in the video. I'm going to go over this properly later and see if it works, and if it doesn't, we'll start filing refunds. Then this should be glasses. Let me see. Let's go over this one. So one of the things that pulls me to Temu is the glasses I find on the platform. I use glasses, and I've been seeing some really cool ones on the platform that already have um already have blue screen, the blue screen thingy basically helps you walk, anti-glare glasses. So this looks freaking cool. I might replace the lenses at some point to my own prescription, but I really like this. It looks very cool. So there's this, but that's not all for the glasses. I did not just get one or two, I got so many. Because so this is another one. This looks stylish with the packaging. I've had red glasses before, but I've never had them in this particular design. This looks really cool as well. Is it anti-glare? It looks like it's not. It looks like plain glasses, really. So I'd have to change the lens to my prescription as well. Does it come with a cleaner? There is no wipe in it, so it's just the glasses. Take note. So I'm gonna keep this aside as well. And then another one again. It's always easier the second time. So you have this one as well. This one is different colors. On the platform, it looked shinier than this, but I'm glad it's not overly shiny. All of this feels very metallic. It feels like metal. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be wearing this for long, but it does look very stylish. I'm not going to lie. It looks really stylish. And there is one more. This one is a really huge red one. I thought it would be smaller than this, but yeah, this is too big. What the heck? It looks like a prop for a movie. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm going to keep this as well. So this red one, I don't know if I'm going to be wearing this. It's really big. If you want it, let me know. Just leave a comment here. I'll pick someone and give it away to someone. Or if you want something else here, let me know. If it's something I can give to you, I would gladly give it to you. So let's move on. I think this came from here, so I'll keep it here. Then this is just a sleeping mask. Why did I get this on Temu? It just feels very convenient. Like I was getting a bunch of stuff and this was in the mix, so I decided I was going to get it. If you don't like light coming into your room in the mornings, like maybe you're not a morning person, 8 a.m. light is already entering through your window, you can wear this to cover your face. I had something like this from way back. I got it at Ikeja, somewhere on the roadside or something, but it's been years ago, so I decided to get another one. Then this one is a knife sharpener. Let's open it real quick. I've tried to get knife sharpeners in the market like once or twice, but they were not there. I don't know how this works. I probably have to check online for the steps on how to use it, but you're supposed to use it to sharpen knives, it seems. Okay, I don't mean to be rude or anything, but this looks very fake because it's not even heavy, and apparently you're supposed to put the knife here somewhere or something. I'll figure it out. Then I don't know what this is. Ooh, I remember what this is. This is probably the final thing on the list, but it's a bag. I went to the cinema with a friend and he was wearing this bag. It looked really cool. I asked him where he got it. He said he got it from TEMU. So it has some pockets in it, and then there's the zips, and it just looks very cargo-ish. It has pockets here. It has pockets here as well. There are pockets like everywhere. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets, and then one on the side. and then there is the zip. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works. So instead of carrying a laptop bag, you can also carry this. Like, it's very stylish. You can use it to style your clothes as well. If you're going to an event or something, you can put your laptop and your charger in it, and you know. So I really like this. So there are 12 items in total, and I think that they delivered everything at once. How long did the delivery take? It took 12 days. I got it on the 17th, I think 17th of this month, and they delivered around 28. Today is 28. One of the questions you might ask me as well is, where do I stay? I live in Lagos. So if you're in Lagos, then they will most likely also deliver to you within 2 weeks. If they take more than 2 weeks to deliver to you, TEMU will give you some coupon or credit or something. So they usually try as much as they can to deliver as soon as they can. But yeah, so I ordered the two items in a space of like 2 hours or so. I placed an order first with 9 items: the socks, the sleeping mask, some of the glasses, and I paid a little over 100K for that, with a discount of 158K. So it was supposed to be like 258K or something, but I got like a 100K discount. So that's even why I did it. You know how you open the TEMU app and then they start to pop up discount? That was what I used. So for the first batch of items, I paid around 100K with a discount of 158K. Then the other batch was just 3 items: two glasses and then that mouse. So this, I paid around 35K for this, with a discount of like 22K. So it was supposed to be like 60 something K, but again, discount. But I ordered all of them in the same day, so I think it's why they delivered everything at once. It wasn't at the same time, but the same day. I'm going to put the discount on screen as well. If you don't use TEMU, or you've never used TEMU before, don't worry. You can just use my link under this video to sign up, and you'll get discounts as well. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I am going to go ahead now and start connecting these items and check if they are working fine. If they are not working fine, then I'll fight with TEMU customer support, and I will let you guys know what works and what doesn't work in the comments of this video. So keep an eye on the comments and let me know if you have questions. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you. Bye.